Yo, what up? This is Age. This is Kick Rap Volume 2. Shout out to everybody who did the first one. Beat by JBP. Still doing this. Yeah. Making music for the masses instead of taking some classes. Faded off different liquors and moving slow as molasses. Do this till I'm in a casket. Fuck a prime, I'll never pass it. Your phonies are passing out, can't seem to stay up at her status. Bars would I deliver, now Pizza Hut got the shivers. Life is sink or swim, so my parents crossed the river so I could be living bigger, and I plan to pay them back as long as I stay on track. Technology helps with that. My mind's getting congested, family always asking questions. I don't have all the answers, under pressure getting tested, learning lessons, living life. I don't get to do it twice. I'm making my mistakes, but I always pay the price. See, I finally got a job, so now I got a bit of money. Buying shit for myself, so you ain't taking shit from me. Especially not my dreams, cause my imagination's infinite. Drawing up these tracks like a motherfucking symphonist. Download the beat, upload a video on YouTube. Hashtag Kick Rap Volume 2. Let's do it, man. I'm out.